This is happening, and we have this upper level disturbance that's moving heading east, and that's starting Thursday. So watch as the system continues to head towards the Great Lakes. On the surface, though, we have a surface low developing. We have a cold front bringing in ahead of that cold front some warm moist air lifting up from the north, and we could see some thunderstorms and some showers heading their way into the northeast by Saturday. So that takes us into the overall setup. Now we're going to backtrack, get back onto Thursday night, head back into the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. Now we have some scattered thunderstorms developing Chicago, Detroit, Cincinnati. You're all going to be seeing that by Friday. We do have some severe storms developing Detroit over Cincinnati as well. And then we start seeing that system head into the northeast by Friday night. And that's when you can expect those rain showers. It doesn't really push through until Saturday. Saturday is when New York, Boston, D.C., all of you will be seeing lots of heavy rain, some scattered thunderstorms as well. And that means we could see some gusty winds as well. So just like right here, Chicago, right here, you can see some action as well. The other thing many will face this week, the kind of warmth that's from this whole week for Portland. So here we go. Let's take a look at that. So starting tomorrow through Thursday, Wednesday's the best chance where you could see a possibility for some thunderstorms. And then Friday is when you can end out with some snow mixed in with that rain. And it's all thanks to this nice plume of moisture heading straight into the west coast, and it's keeping us very wet. That's the main point. So here we go. This is radar, a look outside right now. San Francisco, you're just now getting ready to see this next wave of very heavy rain. It extends into Sacramento, some mountain snow across the area as well. Heading up a little bit further north, we are still seeing a little bit of rain shadowing from the mountains of the Coast Range over Portland and Seattle. You're still seeing some rain. And over the next several hours, you'll see it continue. And pretty much overnight tonight into tomorrow, that's when you can see the best chance of rain, especially across Northern California and Southern Oregon. So that takes us through about Tuesday, 5 a.m. Once we get into Tuesday evening, though, we see more showers develop, and that's when things it looks like it tapers off, but don't be deceived. These showers can possibly pack a punch. Any records. Let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. So for Atlanta, we're going to take a look at two different things: the number of days above 70 degrees and the nights below 32 degrees, below freezing. So starting since December 1st, we've had 22 days above 70. Contrast that to what we would typically see at just 7 days. Wow, crazy. Now on the flip side, we've only had 15 nights below freezing, and normally we see about 35. So talk about a huge difference so far this winter. Now Atlanta, we're staying well above normal. Our average high is about 58 degrees. We stay very warm, close to 70 degrees for the next 4 days, and then we drop a little bit for the weekend, get close to it on Sunday, but then we bounce right back to 70 degrees. So this is the culprit. Early this week, we see highs above 35 degrees above normal, and it sticks around all the way through the middle of this week and even into the first part of the weekend. So this is a huge difference. Here's a look at all the records that we could potentially break, and that's tomorrow. So Chris, Tom?